Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Okay, I just bought this Hedersam scented candle in glass for 20 hour from Ikea. So let's look into the some of the pictures and also details. So yeah. First of all, I love the smell. The smell is like I have smell it before. It's like some sort of like a forest like that, forest smelling. So, but that time was for Christmas. This time maybe it's not for Christmas only. So if you want to read more, then you can pause and read. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's look into the item, the candle. So it is. Smells like a forest, jungle, like a deep white forest, like that. Okay, this is behind product information. Sorry, my video a bit yellowish. Well, you know why. Okay. Yep, that's it. For your information, this is my second time to bought this same candle, but different. It still smells the same, but different picture, and also different name and description. But it's good. Okay, if you are interested to buy the product, the link will be below the video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.